Good day, everyone. How are you today? This is Teacher Mary Carr of English.com. Today, we will continue answering the activity from the lesson that we've discussed from our last video in this book, English Reading Basic 5. This will help you to understand more about the passage and to widen your vocabulary. So now, let's begin. We will answer 3 activities today. It is related from the passage about history. So we have here reading comprehension, writing practice, and summarizing practice. So now, let's start to the first activity, which is the reading comprehension. In this part, I will read the questions as well as the choices, and then I will give you some time to think about the best answer. After that, we will answer it together. Are you ready now? So let's start. Number 1. Who left the first written records? A. French people. B. Chinese people. C. Korean people. Number 2. What do we call the time without any written record? A. Prehistory. B. After history. C. Before history. Number 3. People left records on blank about 3,300 years ago. A. Walls in their houses. B. Animal bones and shells. C. Paper. And number 4, both prehistoric time and historic time are very important blank. A. To understand animal lives. B. To understand human feelings. C. To understand human activities and civilization. Okay, so now let's answer it. What is the answer in number 1? The answer is letter B, Chinese people. So let's see why this is the answer here. Here is the sentence that will support our answer in number 1. Who left the first written records? Chinese people. How about number 2? What is the answer? The answer is letter A, prehistory. Here, we call the time without any written record prehistory. Then, number 3, what is the answer? The answer is letter B, animal bones and shells. Here is the sentence. People left records on animal bones and shells about 3,300 years ago. And number 4, the answer is letter C, to understand human activities and civilization. Here, prehistoric time and historic time are very important to understand human activities and civilization. We finished the first activity, so now let's proceed to the second one, which is the writing practice. In this part, we will complete the sentence with the expression from the passage. So here is the question. What is history? It is a written record of human blank. So what do you think is the answer here? Good. The answer is activities over time. It is a written record of human activities over time. Okay, so now let's proceed to the last activity, which is the summarizing practice. In this part, I am going to read and we will complete the summary of the words from the passage. You can see here blank spaces. So we will find out the correct missing word here. Are you ready now? So let's start. History is a blank record of human activities. The time before written records is called blank. The first people who left written records were blank people. So now, what do you think are the missing words? Okay, so let's answer it now. On the first sentence, the missing word is written. How about on the second sentence? The missing word here is prehistory. And on the third sentence, the missing word is Chinese. Alright, so let's read it again. History is a written record of human activities. The time before written records is called prehistory. The first people who left written records were Chinese people. Alright, I hope that you get all the correct answers here. This is the end of our activity for today. I hope that you enjoy it and you learn a lot. It is fun and exciting to learn English. Again, this is Teacher Maricar of EnglishReadingBasic5. See you in our next video. Goodbye!